Welcome to Data Engineering Studies channel. In this video, we are going to see the difference between union and union by name transformation. Union and union by name transformation in PySpark is used to combine multiple data frames into a single data frame. Union works when the columns in both the data frame joined are in same order. Union by name works when both the data frames have same columns but in different order. We will see the difference between union and union by name transformation practically using examples. The first step is to import the Spark session, and I am declaring an object Spark. Next, I am calling the class Spark session. Inside that, I am calling the method builder and get or create. Now let me print the object Spark. The Spark session is created. My first use case is to combine location 1 dataset and location 2 dataset. Column name for both the datasets are same. Let's implement that. We have two different datasets, location 1 and location 2. And both the datasets have the same columns, first name, age, department and salary. Now I'm going to create data frame for the first location, which is location 1. I'm going to name the data frame as location 1 df. Let me run this. Now I'm going to print the data frame dot show. My first data frame is created. Similarly, I'm going to create the second data frame. This is location 2 data frame, and I'm calling the second data set, which is location 2. Let me run this. Now I'm going to print the second data frame, location 2 data frame dot show. Here is my second data frame. Now I'm going to print the schema for both the data frame using print schema action. Here is my first data frame schema, and my second data frame schema is this. If you see here, both the schema is same. If both the schema is same, we can use the union transformation to combine both the data frames. Let me do that. Data frame 1 dot union data frame 2. And I'm storing that result in a new data frame called locations and printing the result. Let me run this. Here is the result. So both the data frame is combined. My second use case is to combine the location 1 dataset, which has first name, age, department and salary, with location 3 dataset, which has first name, age, salary and department. The order of the column name is different in both the dataset. Let me copy the third dataset, which has location 3, which has first name, age, salary and the department. Let me run this. I'm going to combine this with the location 1 data frame, but the order of the column is different. In location 1, I have first name, age, department and salary, whereas in the third data frame, in the location 3 data frame, I have first name, age, salary and then department. Let me create a data frame for location 3. Now let me print the data frame 3 dot show. Here is my location 3 data frame. Since the order of the column is different, we have to use union by name transformation to combine both the data frames. Let me do that. data frame 1 union by name data frame 3. I'm going to store this result in location 2 data frame and I'm going to print the result. Let me run this. Here is the result. My third use case is to combine location 1 data set which has first name, age, department and salary with location 4 data set which has employee ID, first name, age, salary and department. The location 4 data set has an additional column employee ID. Here is my next data set which is location 4 which has employee ID, first name, age, salary and department. My requirement is to combine location 4 data frame to location 1 data frame which has only first name, age, salary and department. Let me run this. First let me create a data frame for location 4 and print the data frame location 4 data frame dot show. Let me print the data frame. Since location 1 data frame doesn't have the employee ID, we have to create a column in location 1 data frame with null values. Let me do that. Using with column function, I am creating an employee ID column and I am defaulting the values to none. Let me run this. Now let me print the location 2 data frame location 2 dot show. Let me run this. Now my location 2 data frame has the column employee ID with the values as null. Now I can combine the location 4 data frame and the location 2 data frame. Let me do that. Here is the result. In Spark 3.1, there is an option to combine data frames with a different schema. Let me do that. We can combine data frame 1 and data frame 4 by setting allow missing columns as true. Let me run this. Data frames with 2 different schema is now combined. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.